Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can view your app project on Base44 in the tablet version. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your account on Base44, select the workspace in the top left corner. Here under my workspaces I will go with this one here. Next, navigate to app projects by clicking into all apps here. And then go through that list and click into the given app. You may also click into these three dots here. And for example, navigate to the app settings or rename it. However guys, if you'd like to edit it, click into it here. And you will then be redirected to the app designer or editor here. So from here you may add various edits and changes to it. If you'd like to view the app in the mobile version, what you need to do guys is click into that icon in the top right and switch from desktop to tablet or to mobile. And that's basically it. You can do this before you publish your app. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.